Welcome back to another Frenchy and Thailand video. We are right now directly from my balcony where I like to do my videos for this channel. First of all, I want to sharing with you the cost of living here in Thailand compared 1 year ago. If you remember, I make a video about my condominium last year, and during the time you watch this video, I want to give you a little bit more an update about the increasing of the price around Thailand. First of all, my condominium increasing of 5,000 baht per month. It's approximately 25% more. It is what it is. I decided to stay here because you can see behind me, I love the view, the morning, afternoon, or evening. Yes, it's cloudy behind me right now. We're still in the raining season here in Thailand for approximately 2 or 3 more weeks. You can hear the storm behind me, by the way. Now, the water, the power, and the internet, I didn't have any change. This is the same kind of price I pay per month. The only thing I increasing is my internet to have more speed. I pay 100 baht more per month, approximately 5.99 per month. And that's what the cost here in my condominium. I don't have to do anything else. Now the people asking me, what about the food on the street or at the night market or at the 7-Eleven? I'll be honest with you, they have some place they're increasing the price, but not like in USA or in Canada. I give you an example. A bottle of water, it's 1 baht more. The food, I don't see a lot of change around what I spent last year compared this year. And I would say to you, maybe on the massage, some company increasing of 50 to 100 baht now to have a massage. And Pattaya area, you're going to spend about 300 baht now a massage compared it was before 200 or 250. You still have some massage company, they offer at 150, but overall, you expect to pay about 300 baht per hour for a massage, a Thai massage. Food-wise, like I said, or go to the bar, I didn't see any increasing price for the beer or the alcohol around Pattaya, example, at the Walking Street or Soi 6, 7, and 8. So it's pretty good compared from last year. The only thing I would say to you, yes, they're increasing my condominium of 5,000 baht. You can rent a condominium approximately between 15,000 baht to 25,000 baht. Now expect to pay more, 3,000 baht per month to 5,000 baht more per condominium you rent. So this just give you an idea, guys, what happening about my condominium. I want to give you an update. I got a lot of requests. This is the season we move on now for the best season of the year. Season number 2 start at the end of November until March. The weather is great. This is the time of the year you can visit Pattaya. If you have any question to know about rent a condominium, rent or an hotel, or you want to know what kind of activity you can do here, please don't hesitate to reach me. It would be a pleasure for me to connect with you. If ever you visit Pattaya or Jomtien, please let me know. Let's meet each other and have a great time when you come here. So that's conclude, guys, this video. Again, this is all about my condominium update. Until the next time, we want to remind you, you have greatness inside of you, and we wish you an amazing, great, blessing day, everybody.